The shrinking daylight triggers the mating season. Now the dominant bull has just one thing on his mind. He's magnificent. 700 pounds of rippling muscle and a 4-foot rack. Reeking of urine, his own intoxicating perfume, he is irresistible. He bugles to call in more females. His harem grows to 15 cows. But competition lurks. A challenger for his females. The contender takes his place on the battlefield. The females' loyalties aren't set in stone. They'll go with whoever will be the strongest father for the next generation.